Tractor Ted and I live on a farm. This is the farmhouse. And here's Midge the dog. She's very cheeky.
Yes, I am.
They run across fields and along tracks. They run so far, they get to the sea.
La 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 la. This is Ted-tastic fun.
Come on, Tractor Ted. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey, lie down. Come back.
Midge has come to see her friend Emma, and she trains sheepdogs.
Lie down.
Hello, Emma.
Hello, Tractor Ted. Hello, Midge.
Emma uses a whistle and special words to tell the sheepdogs what to do.
Way, lie down.
Way means go left.
Lie down. Lie down.
Lie down means stop.
Lie down. Come by. Lie down. Lie down.
Midge, I wonder if you could be a sheepdog.
Let's try. You say the words and I'll do them.
Come by. Lie down. Way. Oh, Midge, you are cheeky.
Yes, I am.
Midge, look over here.
Oh, what is it? I can't see over the wall. But I can see through this gate. Puppies! And lots of them.
Midge is right. There are lots of puppies in the garden, and the children are having fun playing with them.
La 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 la.
Tractor Ted, can you stay here? And Midge, wait.
Oh, that means I have to stay here.
Well done, Midge. You're learning to be a sheepdog.
They have some sheep and lambs to put out in the field.
Oh, hello, little lammy. Ready to go outside? Get them both. Oh, you get that one. Come on then, lammies. Come by. Come by. Come by. Lie. Come by.
We need a whistle. We need a sheepdog. That'll do, dog. That'll do.
It's seaweed. The loader gets the seaweed from the beach.
That's tractorific.
Oh, excuse me. You've dropped a bit. Don't worry, I've got it. La la da 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 da, la 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 da da.
Look, Tractor Ted and Midge. This one's just been born.
Oh, look! Hello, little lamb. Hello.
Look, there's a calf as well.
Quick, catch him. Where's he going to go? Oh, there he is. Is he going to drink the milk? That's it. Good job, Lenny. Should take off his jacket.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Midge.
It's a special harvester. But what will it be harvesting? Lavender. And this field is full of it. Lavender has a lovely smell and can be used to make lots of things, like soap and bath oil. Bees and butterflies love lavender too.
Wow, look at this harvester. It's gigantic.
It really is a giant machine! Hello? Hello? Please, can I have a ride in your cab?
Of course you can, Midge.
This harvester is really big,
Thank you.
so the farmer needs to climb up into the cab.
Whoa, look at you, Midge.
Whee! Look at me!
Oh, Midge, you're so cheeky. It's Ted-tastic!
It's very noisy and very steamy.
Great job, everyone! Come on, Tractor Ted.
They have so many friends on the farm. Look, here's JB.
Oh, look.
What's this? What's that? Woodlouse.
Woodlouses.
Woodlouse. We've got
Slugs.
slugs.
Hello, everyone.
What are you doing?
Hi, Meadow. Hi, Herb. Hi, Dibble.
Hi, Diggy.
We're doing a bug hunt, and we've almost found all the bugs on our list. We've got an ant, a woodlouse. We've even found a spider and a slug, but we haven't found any caterpillars, have we?
We need Tractor Ted to help.
You're right. I wonder where he is. You seen him anywhere?
Hello! Sorry we're late.
Oh, don't worry. We were just saying we need your help.
Going on a caterpillar hunt, dooby-dooby-doo. We're going on a caterpillar hunt. You can come along too.
The beepy noise is the telehandler. It beeps to warn people to get out of the way when it's reversing. Beep, beep, beep. Mind out, everyone!
Tractor Ted! Tractor Ted! I think I found a caterpillar!
Oh, has Midge found a caterpillar already?
That's not a caterpillar, Midge. It's a wriggly worm.
Let me look under this brush. Or on top. No caterpillars here.
Tractor Ted and Midge carry on looking around. Meadow was right. Caterpillars are very hard to find. Wow! Look at Farmer Ollie's tractor. It's called a quad track and it's busy cultivating the field. As it drives along, the discs on the cultivator break up the soil.
It's Ted-tastic. Midge? Midge! Oh no, where is she?
Midge is so cheeky. Can you see her anywhere? I can see her. Can you see her too? She's in the cab of the tractor.
Oh, Midge, you are so cheeky. Can you see any giant caterpillars from up there?
I can see lots of things from up here, but I can't see any giant caterpillars. Look at me!
Can you see any giant caterpillars?
Oh, look! This tractor hasn't got any wheels.
Tractor Ted is right. It doesn't have any wheels. Do you know what it has instead?
Oh, yes, of course. They're caterpillar tracks.
Oh, look. Farmer Ollie's children have come. They love watching the tractor.
Let me help you understand, as best as a tractor can, what my job might have to do with caterpillars. As I drive along, can you tell me what you see? A tractor that drives a little differently. Wrapped around my wheels I have caterpillar tracks. Clatter, patter, rat-a-tat-tat. Caterpillar, caterpillar, caterpillar tracks. Nearly always rolling forward, sometimes rolling back. Can you hear the sound they make? A rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Clatter, patter, rat-a-tat, caterpillar tracks.
Look, Midge! It's a combine harvester!
And it's got caterpillar tracks too! More caterpillars!
The combine harvester is harvesting the wheat. As it drives along, it cuts the wheat and collects the grain in its tank. Then it blows out the stalks onto the ground. This is called straw.
Have fun watching! We need to get back to the farm. Bye!
The children love watching the combine harvester. When the tank is full, it empties all of the grain into a trailer. Whoosh! Out it comes.